guide me.
Up and away! Highway of justice!
Here's your daughter, as I promised.
Here you are! I was so afraid. I can't bear to lose you again.
Please don't cry, Daddy. Was I being bad?
No! You were always a good girl. Always.
Enough with the make-believe. That's a puppet.
My man's 10 times more human than you people.
You call that thing human? That's just a robot lab rat.
Enough. We don't have time for this. Where's our stuff? Bring them out.
No, go bring them the prototype puppets.
Hey, we ain't got all day. Hurry up. No! I won't let you have them! We'll make you regret this.
After him! You're going nowhere either, Missy.
Here we go. Malone's trying to escape with the puppets. Here's hoping that Rover can stop it on time.
Daddy, I'm tired.
It's okay, young one. They won't follow us here.
Those scary people, are they coming after me?
Not just you, Ram. They want all the puppets here. But they won't get them. I'll make sure every puppet finds home, together with people who love and need them. I will not let those freaks use them for experiments. Master Dollmaker, how could you be the first to betray our belief?
Dollmaker? Is that the leader of the Sailing Society?
Is Master Dollmaker bad, Daddy?
I'm not sure anymore. He was our hope. He saved us all, but...
Doesn't matter now. I must get you all to safety first. I guess they still have some morals. There's still things they won't do. I spotted them! Over there!
Find Daddy, quick!
I'll grab these puppets now. What about that guy, boss?
Ice him. We'll take that puppet behind him, too. I will not let you go!
Wrong's gold is severely overclock at this rate.
Hey! What the hell are you doing here? One man's not gonna make a difference. Get rid of them now!
Forgetting someone, are we?
What the? Those idiots! They were supposed to take care of you! Careful!
Sorry I knocked out your friends earlier. We're not planning to start anything with the Faxidus, really. What do you say? Care to give your mom and his daughter a little break? There are people, after all. You may have these puppets here. We come until none of this ever happened.
You think we're stupid or what? We're taking the puppets, and you're all going under.
Oh, you sure you want to do this? We're business partners, remember?
Partners? You're just a bunch of lab keepers trying to play the game!
So they're not up for peace talks. What do you say, Rover? True. You know your Faxidus well. You got some moves. Impressive. Guess I can rely on you a bit more. I'll be counting on you.
Lock on!
One more time.
How did you like the fight? Are you injured? Oh, really? I'll sit back and leave it all to you next time. We took care of him for now, but there's probably more trouble coming our way. My, are you worried about me? What a surprise. I thought you never trusted me this entire time. Fine. I'll spare you the teasing for now. Your serious face is quite cute, though. Don't worry. We took care of all the Faxidus people here. If the society becomes suspicious, I'll just pin everything on them. They may still question me, but I've mastered gaining trust with lies. It's the key to being an undercover investigator. Just like what I did to you. Try feeling your back. A bug and a tracker. How else do you think I got here so quickly? I put it there the first time we met. Don't trust anyone. That's the first thing I learned in training. You may not belong to any group, but you seem to care for the wrong you want, and you want to recover lost memories. I can't risk you betraying me by helping them run off or selling me out. Better safe than sorry. Of course, Dollmaker. He must be a big deal in the Seance Society, or even their leader. We're getting close to the truth, but we have another issue at hand. I did a quick checkup on Wrong. He just passed out from overclocking. Lucky for him, it wasn't that bad. Yuan returned to her puppet form once LeBron fell unconscious. Not even I can reactivate her now. I thought she'd be reactivated anytime soon. We reached a dead end with Laurent. Yeah, I was planning to. We may find some clues. But we gotta move first. Can't stay here for long. Go collect the puppets. I'll look after Laurent and Yuan. budged. Is that our only option? But I believe it's unnecessary. Yes, understood. I'll have it taken care of. Yes, it's my contact from the Public Security Bureau. They'll be sending people over soon. We can leave along and you alone in their care. Are you done with the puppets? That's fine. We'll dig further once we're in a safer location. My contact informed me of a safe house not far from here. The patrollers will lead us there. We'll have a designated meetup spot. There'll be wolf-shaped markings nearby to show us the way. Let's move. Can't let the Fraccidus find us. Markings in sight. This must be the safe house.
Look, it's a device on that wall.
We need a passcode. They are thorough. The safe house is hidden and has a passcode. There should be some hints nearby. Let's look around. We should be good in here. This safe house is equipped with signal jammers and counter-surveillance measures. The Fraccidus won't find us here. It's as safe and secure as it gets. Nothing gets in, and nothing gets out. Don't